When you work the land, your days are long and demanding. Confidently and comfortably tackle those days from the all-new factory-installed cab of the John Deere 5ML tractor. Specifically designed to meet the unique needs of your operation, with comfort, capability, and safety top of mind. While the narrow design and limb lifters protect your sensitive crops, the optional Cat 4 filtration system protects the operator, reducing dust and harmful chemicals from getting in the cab. Enjoy head-to-toe comfort with spacious headroom, unmatched visibility, customizable digital display, ergonomically placed controls, intelligent programmable LED lights, plenty of storage, and a flat floor for more legroom. The cab comes factory installed and is immediately ready for the field, protecting your time and your bottom line. And with John Deere precision ag technology such as JD Link, Starfire 7000, AutoTrack, and iTech Basic, you have the machine performance and field management tools you need to most effectively monitor and manage your operation. So, for all the challenges you field, John Deere has you covered in every production step, in every season. Visit your local John Deere dealer to learn more.